Hey guys, welcome to Dazzling Handmade. Today we are doing an Aliexpress haul video. I have a smaller one and a fairly big one, so to not make the video super long, I chose just 2 packages. In the first one we have 3 items. Okay, so we have these lemons. I think I have this in stamp. Really cute, very thin lines, room to color. Oh, and it comes with a die even for this one. And then the other one is like plants, couple of bugs, leaves, planting. Cute. A little bit too thick. And the other one. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Yep, lots of stuff. Okay, starting with some leaves, tropical leaves. And oh, this is so cute. A little teacup with candy canes. And even have a tea bag. I think that's for a tea bag. Next up is a long stamp. Lots of details, but it's mostly gonna be used for background elements because it's not something I can color. It's kind of a little bit messy too. Yeah, messy. But it looks pretty. Then we have another one of this, similar, not the same, and a big one, all dragonflies. Looks like the same exact design but shrinked. You see how there's 2 dots here, and the dots are about like in the same spot. I noticed these weird details. Then we have this. These ones go on the edge of the paper. And then we have, oh, this is so cute. This is a big mouse. Let me just take it out so you can see. Big mouse, the moon. Oh, it's holding the balloon to go up to the moon. Makes sense. Very cute. Look at his little shoes. He has shoes. Why does he have shoes? He looks like a she shoes. Cute. We have another one. This mouse is a fairy mouse. This mouse is a climbing mouse. Kind of cute. A room to color, so that's good. Room to color, and they're pretty big, so if I put in a card, it's gonna take up a lot of space, which is what I like. Mushrooms, not a lot of room to color. Ooh, autumn stuff. Dog, pumpkin, hay. I think this is hay. The apples. There should be something like a bucket or something that we can put these on top. I made something like that like 2 months ago for a card. Put the flowers inside a crate, and it looked really good. Sentiment. Life is sweet with you. Life is sweeter with you. Have a sweet day. You make me burst with joy. Thank you for being so sweet. Really good sentiment. Kind of small to heat and emboss, but that's fine. And this is just random stuff for backgrounds. Bags, summer bags. I like this one. And some other decoration stuff. Sometimes I might not like the stamp, but then I look at the feedbacks and what people create with this. That's what makes me buy it, the feedbacks. These are shoes with different kind of flower on the end, which is very beautiful. I also really love this one because we can put this thing on so many things as a background, little accent. This is a big gnome, big one, and it will take up a big space on the card. Although these are look a little weird. Like, is it? Oh, it's his leg. He's crossing his leg. So these 2 are legs, and then He's with his hand, he's holding it, and this other kid is listening to him read. A home. Gnome, sweet gnome. I love it. Mushrooms. He's drying mushrooms. That's so awesome. This window is actually a really good idea. It's something I can create with cutting dies. I do have branch dies, which I can do at branch, and then put it behind the window. That'll be cool. I can do that. Ooh, baby gnomes. Oh my god, that's cute. Have you seen a gnome without a beard? Now you have. See, no beard. No beard. How freaking cute is that? So cute. Okay, and then we have 3 very elegant ladies. Frame. I call this frame. And then we also have another frame that looks a little complicated, but when I look at it, it reminds me of Guardians of the Galaxy. So, you see, each frame different size. Guardians of the Galaxy. Disneyland has arrived for them. They used to be Tower of Terror, but now it's the Guardians of the Galaxy, and this reminds me of that. And I have Groot as in a die, and maybe Sam too, but die for sure. So I feel like it would look really awesome. That was it for this video. Actually a pretty quick video, but we have so many good stuff today. I'm really happy with this order. And thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in the comments. Happy New Year!